Hi, my friends. Bet you're wondering what this big box is about. Well, I'm going to tell you that there were some really beautiful things in here. So here we go. Let's see what was inside. Well, here you go. This is what was inside. All of these teapots. Look at them. So pretty. So I'm going to start with the main set that I went to meet this lady for. And it was this one, this cute little stout pot. And it came with this sugar bowl and a creamer. And when I messaged her on Facebook Marketplace, I had said that I wanted this. It was really beautiful. And I believe the offer was 30. I'm trying to think of the math here. So I said, yes, I want that. And then she said, I have other teapots. Would you be interested? And I was like, sure. She goes, if you take them all, then it'll just be an extra $20. And I was like, okay, $20. That's not bad. So she brought the box and I took a look, and there's a couple that were really not my style, but hey, for $20 more, you can't beat that. So this right here is part of this other set, which was not in the original posting that she had, and that was kind of cute. And so I guess it's a tea light. I have a blinking one in there. I guess it's running out of battery, but there's a place for a tea light, and I'm assuming that's what this is. I'm not really clear. And this little teapot is super cute, but you see it's got a little hole, so I'm assuming it's supposed to be functional, but it's really tiny, like a half of a cup, I don't know. But if you look, when I take this off, you see it belongs on here. So I don't know if this is it supposed to be a tea light? Just seems strange because the other side, let me pan around, the other side's not open, and I thought maybe if it's a tea light it would be open. I'm not sure, but it's super cute. And the only ones that I actually cleaned up was the original set because I was going to use that in a post. So all these other things, either I just took the tape off and I haven't cleaned it, or I left the tape on because I'm not going to be using it anytime soon and I don't want the lids flying around. So anyways, so this is the tea light that goes with that set. And then, let's go down to these little ones first. And then this cute little one. And this one, look, it has like a little daisy flower on top. But it's super cute. Sticky from the tape. Let me take that off so I don't. And oh, that one doesn't have where it's from. They're dirty. They need to be cleaned up. But isn't that cute for a one-person tea? And then this one is really unique. I've not seen one like this where it has the handle like that. That's really neat. And it's got the little purple flowers on it. And this one says Lingia. I'm not really clear what that says either. My eyes are really bad. But I like the look of this, and it's pink. Yeah, it's pretty dark right there. Let me see if I can raise it up and you can see it. So it's a pink with those purple flowers, and you see we got those purple flowers in the background. So this is really cute. And then we have this other one. Let me bring this one over here in the light better. And again, this one's look like pansies. Really cute. This one says Arthur Wood and Son, Staffordshire, England. So this was a pretty good buy. And like I said, so let's continue and then we'll talk about the other thing first. And then here's this bigger one, and I like the size of this one. Let me pull this in here. It's got this like a little flower on top. And There's a pretty, again, with the pink and purples. So this is really nice because I love purple. And same design on both sides. And then this one has no marking, so I have no idea. I didn't see any marking on the inside. So I don't know, but still a good deal. And then had these little ones. And this one's cute. It's a little glass one, so that could be a cute little decor item. This one is a little apple. Looks like it's got a little damage there, but you know, basically it was free because there were so many items for an extra $20. This one's really pretty. It's a rose. And look, it comes off. Isn't that cute? I love that. Look at the little rosebud is the spout. So I'm super excited to use that one coming up. You know what's coming up that I could use that for. And then these three over here are more Asian inspired. They're elephants, and then this one is Asian. I think this one said made in China. Yeah, this one's China. I think they were all China. Yeah, this one says China's got all this thing in there. Don't use this. You'll get poisoned. And then this one was from Thailand. So these three probably were my least favorite because it's just not my style. But because it kind of like was a freebie, because if you think about it, so it's three there. Then we have these three small ones here, so that's 6. Then that big one, 7. This thing here, 8. And then these three here, so it's 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 items for $20. So that's pretty darn good. That is, I think, an epic find. So you see all of my teapots. Let's see if I can get in a better angle so you can see. Look at how cute. So, you know, Mom and me do teas for 2. I don't know, some of these you might not be able to get 2 cups of tea out of, but it's still cute for a display for our little tea parties. So be on the lookout for these teas in upcoming Tea Tuesdays. And then you'll say, hey, I know where she got that. That was from that epic Facebook Marketplace buy. So here's just some cute little, not cute, but some pictures of the items up close. Unfortunately, I'm not able to add music, still having issues with YouTube, but thank you for stopping by and see you again next time.